Hello everyone, and how are you doing? So if you're looking to stay away from the doctors, form a disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases and sicknesses, stick around and I'll share with you this very powerful alkaline juice you should drink to help you form a disease fighting barrier in your system so you can always stay healthy, strong, in shape, and very vibrant. Yeah, so if you're interested to live that healthy life free of diseases, always staying in shape and healthy, stick around and I'll show you how to come up with this yummy disease fighting juice yourself at home to help you boost your immune system, fight diseases for you to stay healthy. And it is actually so yummy as well. So share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. So let's get into it. So in order to come up with this alkaline juice, I'll be using mostly very powerful alkalizing fruits, and the first will be cucumber. Cucumber is very alkalizing. It helps to form a disease fighting barrier in your system, fight certain kinds of diseases like cancer. Like, this is so healthy at keeping your system at bay. Yeah, most especially your liver, your heart. It cleanses your organs, support your system to detox and flush out waste toxins out of your system for you to always stay healthy. This is so hydrating to give you that fresh and healthy glow to your skin from the inside as well. So nourishing. So what you need is one cucumber. You want to wash, peel, and just like slice into some good sizes that can get into your blender without taking a lot of space. So that is just it. Carefully washed, sliced. You don't want to, you can wash it with water and vinegar just to make sure you clean any possible pesticide and your ingredients are so clean. The second, which doctors recommend as well, is apple. They say it takes you away from them because it is alkalizing as well to cleanse, fight diseases in your system, and even treat certain kinds of diseases. Plus, it nourishes your system with a lot of nutrients, a lot of vitamins and minerals nourishing your system. It is highly rich in vitamin C, which is a form of antioxidant to fight free radical damage, oxidative stress, destroying your cells, your organs. That way you stay so healthy and free of any diseases and sicknesses. That is why doctors recommend apples. Very healthy and nourishing. So you want to get one apple, wash thoroughly and slice into some good sizes, and voila, this is it. The next ingredient I'll be adding, which is a very powerful immune booster, I'll be adding 2 oranges, very highly rich in vitamin C to boost your immunity. Plus, it gives you that healthy, fresh glow from the inside as well. So this is going to form disease-fighting barrier in your system, as well as nourishing and giving you that healthy glow from the inside. We all know vitamin C helps to glow, give you that freshness to your skin, and make your skin looking so beautiful while boosting your immunity and keeping you strong and vibrant. So I'll be using 2 oranges. You just need to get your oranges and get the juice. So if you don't have this manual juice extractor, this is something you want to get, as it makes everything easy and actually gets all the juice out of the fruits. If you're doing it just with your hands, you hardly get a lot of juice. So if you want to live that healthy life, get you yourself this manual juicer very easily, and it makes life so easy. The next thing, which is a very powerful source of antioxidant. Antioxidants are very important. They prevent oxidative stress, destroying your skin cells before you know you start developing sicknesses, most especially cancer. This protects your skin cells from damaging, protects your skin from aging, protects your skin from having all the skin issues, leaves your skin so beautiful because antioxidants help to fight free radical damage effects after you expose your skin into environmental pollution, toxins, all the like pollution from the air destroying your skin as well. This prevents that, fights that for you to have that beautiful skin, plus protects your skin cells from damaging, and you always stay healthy and equally with beautiful skin as well. So these are 8 strawberries sliced, and this is just enough for the juice of today. So you just want to wash thoroughly and slice. The next thing you want to do is now get your blender and put your clean ingredients in your blender. So that is my cucumber, my sliced cucumber. Now this is my one apple, so one cucumber, one apple, eight strawberries. So that is it, and I will not be adding the juice now. So I don't like to add sugar or whatever in my juices, so that orange juice at the end will kind of give me a kind of sweetness to my juice without me adding sugar or whatever. I try to avoid sugar or any sweeteners in my meals as much as I can, because sugar is really not, it's really bad. So just watch as I will do. And yeah, so you just want to blend to make sure everything blends and smooths out. Yeah, so this is a carefully put together juice. Ingredients, all of them are alkalizing or very powerful sources of antioxidant to help fight free radical damage, destroying our skin cells, causing diseases and issues, forming that disease fighting barrier against sicknesses so we can always stay healthy. So what you want to do is to get your sieve. You can actually just drink this as a smoothie, because I'm not throwing this pulp. What I'll do is I'll just get the pulp, like, and the fiber, and just add one banana and still consume. So it's not like I'm throwing the pulp. So you can as well still drink with the pulp. You can just like still get it in the form of juice, whatever you want to, but I wanted it in the form of juice. So I'll be consuming the pulp with banana as my smoothie, and this is my juice. Because I don't like to buy sugary juices at the store, I make mine at home. So I actually love to have juice at times and not smoothie all the time, because smoothie is just like food. But these juices can replace all those pops we buy at the store and actually drink something healthy. So it is like my juice replacement while nourishing my system, putting in a lot of nutrients for me to always stay healthy with beautiful skin, form a disease fighting barrier in my system, and I always stay strong and healthy. This is something you want to go for if you want to live that healthy life free of diseases and sicknesses. Try you this juice at least once every week. Fall in love with this juice, and trust me, this is being proactive. Don't wait until you're sick before you start living healthy. Start now by fighting those diseases, forming the disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases and sicknesses so you can always stay healthy. And they are actually so yummy as well. So it's like enjoying yourself while treating and nourishing your system. Yeah. So don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.